Welcome back to the channel, and today I need to do some repairs on my Redcat Ascent. Last time I had it out, I beat on it pretty good because I was testing the Secure Escape 32 ESC and the Secure 3625 Outrunner motor, which is 1800 kV. While I was driving, at some point I did notice that it would cog a bit. I thought it might have been the stuck rotor protection because I was getting it in quite a few binds. A little bit later in the run, it started making some noise, so I decided to call it quits. When I got it home, I determined that it was the center gearbox. The motor and the drive shaft should move simultaneously, but apparently that the gears inside are stripped. Now these are supposed to be hardened gears, and the pinion is just a regular metal, so we're going to have to open it up and see what the problem is. The first thing we're going to do is pop off these two set screws for the drive shafts. And now there's a couple screws on the bottom that I can take off here. Alright, now that the transmission's free, I am going to take off the screws for the motor itself. Alright, got this out the way. Taking a look at this pinion, it is chewed up quite good. Let's zoom in here, and you can see the carnage that happened inside. These little transmissions are relatively simple to take apart. I'm going to take this off. Alright. Give them a little resistance. Alright. This one here, this gear, actually looks pretty good. The gear that was taking all the abuse here, looks pretty good. I'm actually going to clean these up off camera. I do see some metal flakes here that may be from the pinion, but I'm going to clean these up off camera, and if it's all good, we'll put it back together. And looks like it just is the pinion that got chewed up, because these are supposed to be hardened, and it looks like they are, but I just wanted to clean this up and make sure that is the case. Here's the main gear where the pinion was riding. They look largely unaffected. They're a little bit shiny, which is okay. No teeth are broken or chipped or anything. It looks pretty good. And on the main output gear, that looks good as well. No really major problems with these gears that I can see. So I'm going to clean out the case and lube them back up. We're all packed up and ready to go. We're just going to throw the cover back on here and put our screws back in, and then we have to find a suitable pinion. Now that everything's mounted up, I'm just checking the play in between the two gears, which is just about perfect. I'm lucky it was only the pinion that got destroyed. It could have been a more expensive repair, since there is no slipper clutch to protect the drive line. I was a bit hard just to test out the Outrunner and ESC. If you like the content, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.